Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome, and we will see what are the aspects that have been mentioned in Ayurveda, how to deal with PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome. Because in India and in many other countries, the word this menstruation or the symptoms that are related with this are considered as very taboo topic, and most of the women are not open about these topics, how to discuss about it, how to tell their problem to someone, or even how to tell any of these symptoms even to family member. But it is good, like these days women are coming up, they are speaking up these things and they are telling and they are sharing their problems. So it is one of the good thing that is happening in the world. But still in many places girls and women are very hesitant to talk about it. And when they are feeling these kind of symptoms, that is known as PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome, they don't know how to deal with it, or even sometimes people have sometimes women have so much cramps during menstruation, in the beginning of menstruation, and they don't know why it is happening. Even if they are taking painkillers, no relief happens, and sometimes after taking painkillers relief happen, sometimes it doesn't happen, and they need to bear pain for a long time, because most of the women or girls are not even aware about it, like this is some kind of problems which women are feeling, and how to deal with our own physiology. As we know, women are going every month through this menstrual cycles, which is a gift of nature. Then we should not hate it and we should go through it smoothly. But yeah, it happens many times when luteal phase come, or 7 or 8 days before when your periods are due, many women start feeling symptoms like irritability, anxiety, negative thoughts, lot of body pains, sleep disturbances, sadness, sometimes depression like symptoms, sometimes extreme laziness, sometimes tenderness and heaviness in the breasts, and sometimes constipation. So all these symptoms women are dealing on daily basis, but they don't know how to deal with it, what we can do about it. So here is Ayurveda, how we can help to overcome these symptoms, or at least reduce these symptoms to certain levels, so that you can bring a little comfort in those days in your life. When we talk about modern medicine, in modern medicine, what is the reason of PMS? It's still not known. Doctors are not aware of why this PMS happened. But after so much researches, it has been said, like when there is change in hormonal levels, especially in luteal phase. So in some researches, it's been said like because of excess estrogen levels it is happening. Sometimes they say it is lack of vitamin B6. This vitamin cause these kind of symptoms. Sometimes they say there is excess of progesterone, that is why it is happening, but still there is a lot of confusion like why it is happening and how we can deal with these things, because every day, especially to girls, you cannot give hormonal therapy, because every month they need to go through these periods and menstruation, which is a natural process and a part of life, and these hormones are not safe to use. Like if you are even using these hormones, they are not so good for the body, because anyway it is synthetic and chemically made. So it is not, it definitely has side effects. So let's see what Ayurveda has to talk about it. One thing is Ayurveda, the first thing that they recommended during this Rajo Nivritti or Rajo Pravaha, whenever it is happening, you need to take enough rest. So there is a reason behind it, why in Ayurveda it's been said like you should take enough rest. I know these days women are working women, most of the women are working women, and in work pressure and these stresses are so much in the office field, and sometimes on relationship basis, and sometimes when you are going to office, your daily day-to-day work is so hectic. So what happens with many of the women, like they are going and they are forgetting and ignoring themselves, and they don't pay attention to themselves. But the best thing about this I would like to share, like if you don't take care of yourself, if you don't take care of your body, how will you take care of your family and friends? because you can take care of other person only if you take care of yourself. So it becomes extremely important that you pay attention to all these small symptoms so that they don't get aggravated and then started destroying your relationships and started throwing anger on your family people or your near ones, dear ones. It becomes extremely important that you start pay little bit attention to your body mechanism.